Hey, this is Dr. Bill Williams, and I am so glad to be here on the Voice of ONPASSIVE with Dr. Idris Modi and his friends in India and all around the world. Glad to be part of the team on ONPASSIVE as a member of the Leadership Council. My home is in Atlanta, Georgia, a small suburb of Atlanta called Suwanee, and we're about 25 miles out from the downtown Atlanta. So we're in the heart of metropolitan Atlanta. I'm a dentist here in Suwanee. I've been practicing for 43 years. I graduated from the Medical College of Georgia, and before that, Auburn University in Alabama. So I've been enjoying the practice of dentistry, but I've also been involved in teaching dentists all around the world. And my subject was TMJ, orthodontics, reconstruction. And I got interested in leadership, communication, management, marketing, those kind of things over a period of about 20 years. I've been doing that in addition to teaching the technical parts of dentistry. So at this point in my career, I still work, but I'm part-time in the dental office, and I'm working with ONPASSIVE because I see the future is very bright, and I see that the future could be even brighter for my children and grandchildren because of being associated with ONPASSIVE. I believe ONPASSIVE is one of the best opportunities that's come along in many generations. I joined back in just March the 20th, March of 2020. So I've only been in about a year, and I found that it was better than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a marketing avenue for some wellness products that I was interested in. I had a side gig with a wellness product, and I thought, well, I could probably use the marketing skills that come from ONPASSIVE. And so I worked with learning about it from my upline group, my mentors, and learned more, and I decided, well, this is worth more than just marketing. This has got more to it, more bite, you might say. So I was enrolled, signed up by a friend that was already in my wellness business, Dr. Ann O'Donnell in Dublin, Ireland, and her upline group that sponsored her, Roan Williams up to Derek Venter in South Africa. So it's an international flavor in our group. We have 213 different countries represented in the membership. The Leadership Council is very similar. People from all continents, all countries that are represented that are strong and ONPASSIVE. We've got probably 50 or 60 Leadership Council members in total, and they range from every continent in the world. So we're very proud of the group that we've assembled. Now, the message that I would send to you today is one of hope. ONPASSIVE offers hope to every single person who's a member, who's a founder. ONPASSIVE will offer hope in ways that nobody has ever seen before. So we can all count on what Ash is building to lead us to something that is far greater than the imagination can even conceive. So hope, H, stands for hold on, guys. Hold on, take action, don't give up. It takes a long time to put together something as good as ONPASSIVE. And so if you came in the early days, keep holding on because we're ready to launch pretty soon. Take action every day. Do something every day that moves the company forward. It doesn't have to be a big thing, but if everybody, 600,000 of us or more, do something every day, then the word's going to spread and the news will travel fast. Be persistent. Don't give up. Be persistent. Do something every day. One small tip that I have to give anybody that wants success is do something every day that moves you forward in your business. Don't let a day go by where you're just idle. Hope is the message. O stands for ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE can be explained, as Ash tells us, with CATMO, complete automated system of targeted traffic that makes you money. That is the total freedom that we get. We get time back, we get money, we get income, total freedom to do what we want, when we want, once the system has matured. That's the key word, mature. We're going to all be doing very well when the system matures. And so we have to go through a number of cycles for maturity to happen once we launch. And so have hope, have patience, have the concept of cat mode locked in your brain, and then HOP, people. This is a people business, and if you can relate to people, then you can be successful. You don't have to grow a group, but if you want to grow fast, if you want to have a big income, then you would probably want to do some recruiting. You might want to do some relating to people. Share with them the opportunity. Let those that see the potential join in with you. Those who don't, pass them by. They'll come in later as customers, and they'll be glad to be customers, but we know that being a founder is much better, right? So I would say this: serving others is the whole key to people. And the more people you can serve, the more people you can take care of in life, the better your life's going to be overall for yourself. And there's nothing better than introducing somebody to ONPASSIVE because of what it's going to do for their bottom line and for their ability to use a system like we have in OBLESS, where we can impact the lives of other people, where we can give people an opportunity that they never had before to succeed in life. And finally, hope. E stands for eternity. Yeah, this is not about just what we're doing here on earth. It's like this is a heavenly destination that we're headed towards. That means that there's not going to be an end to the work of ONPASSIVE. This is the beginning, and what we start today will go on forever and ever. What we start today will have impact on our generations to come in our families. And so there's no end to the benefit to the family. There's no end to the growth of ONPASSIVE. There's no end to the income that you'll receive. And best of all, for those who are gray-haired like I am and they're getting on, there's no work involved. You don't have to sit and toil all the days of your life until you expire. You know, this is going to be something that pays you every day for the rest of your life once it gets mature. And so we are thankful that Ash has come up with a system of residual income. We're thankful that Ash has given us a system that will be perpetual, eternal benefits to everyone who joins. So those are the words I have for you, the message of hope. And if you like the idea, come and join us if you're not a member. If you are a member, then keep plugged in, keep tuned in to what's going on in the back office, the Go Founders, and see what you can do to serve the guy next door, because in the end, you'll all be better for it. It's Dr. Bill Williams. Have a good day. Thank you, Dr. Modi, for inviting me to be on the Voice of ONPASSIVE.